At first, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but I knew that I wanted to go back to school. I'm 44 years old, so it's been about 20 plus years since I've actually been in school.
Growing up, I was always into playing video games. I told myself I'm gonna end up being a game designer. I ended up having my first kid in college, so shifted towards the healthcare field. My goal was to find something that I'm passionate about.
I have a lot of customer service and people skills, the soft skills, they say, but I just kind of got tired of it. I got burned out and everything. I even tried doing construction for a little bit, but I was way too old to do that. My body was not happy with that. That's when I decided, you know what, I need to go back to school, and started looking at Alvin and seeing what programs that they offered. And cybersecurity just really jumped out at me, and I kind of did a little research on that. And I said, yeah, this is something I want to get into. It's kind of like me, I'm getting my life back together pretty much.
People that I've been working with, we're pretty close. So when it comes to helping each other, we're there for each other whenever somebody needs it. So for me, that's very rewarding.
What I like best about the program is my tutors and the teachers here, they mentor me a lot into this. It's a lot of information to take in, but I do feel confident in their teachings, and they really help out a lot.
My favorite activity so far is actually pen testing, getting into the computer system and actually configuring it to hack into another computer. There are certain jobs where they hire pen testers to hack into their own system to figure out the flaws within that system so they could fix it.
There's a lot of people that are needed in the cybersecurity field. I mean, we go through, 5 million attacks a day worldwide. So we need people that can help out with that. It's never too late to come back to school. Like I said, Alvin's been very accommodating to me. Like any small little, even a stupid question, they're going to answer for me and not make me feel stupid for it. You know what I mean? Like, they're very good about that.
I probably wouldn't trade it for anything, for any college, to be honest with you.